हेलो दोस्तों। आज हम today we are going to start my dear friends this circular sitting arrangement. Okay, so already we have seen last time one miscellaneous based puzzle. So today we will do the circular sitting arrangement, and this type of question from the circular sitting arrangement they have asked in so many exams like IBPS, PO, IRB, and all kind of exams. Okay, so we will learn one by one how these things are functioning. Okay, see here, if the person are facing outside in the circular sitting arrangement, then like he is the person who is a facing outside. Okay, then his right is a this one and his left is a this one. Okay, if person is sitting here and he is facing inside, in this case position what happened, his right is a this one, his left is a this one. Okay, if question they will ask like this situation I am taking here. Okay, when everyone is facing inside. Okay, this is the case I am taking when everyone is facing inside. Okay, in this situation if they will say ki A is sitting third to the left of B, A is sitting third to the left of B, so you have to do like this. A is sitting third to the left of B when they are facing the inside. Okay, so now we will see this question, all of you. 8% P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W are sitting around a circular table facing the center, not necessarily in the same order. Each of them speak different language, namely Marathi, English, Hindi, Bengali, Malayalam, Tamil, Gujarati, and Urdu, but not necessarily in the same order. The one who speak Malayalam. So first of all, we will draw this one. Okay, first of all, we will draw here. So what is here? The question is saying the one who speak Malayalam sits second to the right of W. So Malayalam who is speaking sits second to the right of W. So all they are facing inside. Okay. So in this case, Malayalam, those who are sitting right side of W is this one. So this is the situation here. Okay. Now next what is saying, only two people sit between the one who speak Malayalam and the one who speak Gujarati. So only two people sit between them. Only two people sit between the one who speak Malayalam and the one who speak Gujarati. So Malayalam is sitting here. So definitely Gujarati will be sit here, and we will make one more figure. Okay, and we will keep the 8 people here. We will keep the 8 people here. Okay, in this one also I will keep Malayalam only here, and W I will keep here only. They are facing inside, all of them, and Gujarati I will keep here because two people sit between the Malayalam and Gujarati. Okay, so only two people sit between the one who speak Malayalam and the one who speak Gujarati. Okay, now fine. V sits to the immediate left of the one who speak Gujarati. So V sits immediate left of the one who speak Gujarati. So V will sit at this position. Okay. Now you see everyone, only two people sit between the V and U. So only two people sit between the V and U, and U is the immediate neighbor of W. Okay. So this is the U here. Okay, and see, only two people sit between the U also I will keep here, and this direction U also I will keep here. Both is a correct. Okay, but one definitely will cancel later. The U is a immediate number of W. The one who speaks Hindi sits second to the right of U. The one who speaks Hindi sits second to the right of U. So see, this is not possible. No, this is also possible. Sits second to the right of U, the one who speaks Hindi. Okay. One second. The one who speak Hindi sits second to the right of U. T is a immediate right of the one who speak Hindi. T is a immediate right of one who speak Hindi. Okay. So now you see, all of you, if you take this one U, this U you will take it. Question is saying here in this one, the one who speak Hindi sits second to the right of U. So if this U I will take it here, this U, so Hindi will come at this position. Okay, so once again we will make one more picture is clear to us. Okay, and this U we will cancel from here. Okay, I will not keep in this one, I will keep in this figure. Okay, this one U, this U I will keep in this figure. Okay, so W is here, V is here, Malayalam is here, and U is here, and Gujarat is here. Now question is saying here, the one who speak Hindi sits second to the right of you. Sit second to the right of you. So Hindi will sit here. Okay. And Hindi will sit here. Okay. The one who speak Hindi sits second to the right of you. T sits to the immediate right of the one who speak Hindi. Okay. So this cannot be possible. No, this is possible here. T sits immediate right. Okay. T sits immediate right of the one who speak Hindi, and T sits immediate right of one who speak Hindi. So this is not possible here. See everyone. T sits immediate right of the one who speak Hindi because already V is sitting here. And these two figure are possible. This is the completely gone this figure. Okay. Now only three people sit between the T and one who speak Marathi. Only three people sit between T and the one who speak Marathi. So MA Marathi is here. Okay. And Marathi is also here. Marathi is also here. Okay. The one who speak Tamil sits second to the left of the one who speak Marathi. So Tamil will become here, second to the left. Okay. Marathi, second to the left is the Tamil will come here. Okay. S sits to the immediate left of P. S sits immediate left of P. So P we didn't get till now. Okay, the one who speak Urdu sits second to the right of P. Only three people sit between the one who speak Bengali and the speak English. The one who speak Bengali is not immediate number of a T. So Bengali is where? In this one. Only three people sit between the T and the one who speak Marathi, the one who speak Tamil. Only three people sit between the one who speak Bengali and one who speak English. Okay, three people. So see here, only this is situation left here. Except from this one, no situation is left here. So here Bengali cannot sit with. He is saying here in the one who speak Bengali not immediate number of the T. So Bengali cannot sit here. Okay, so Bengali can sit here. Okay, and English can sit here. And again T. Bengali cannot sit here. So English can sit here, and Bengali will sit here. Okay. Now what is next here? A sits immediate left of P. The one who speak Urdu sits second to the right of P. Okay. R sits to the immediate left of the one who speak English. R sits to the immediate left of one who speak English. So see here everyone, R cannot sit immediate left. Here not possible because T is already here. Okay. R sits second to the left of, oh sorry, R sits second to the left of here, second to the left of, okay. R sits second to the left of the one who speak English. So R can sit here and R can sit also here, second to the left of. Now only three people sit between the T and the one who speak Marathi. The one who speak Tamil sits second to the left of the Marathi. S sits to the immediate left of P. S sits immediate left of P. So anywhere two places are vacant. See here, this is the no two places is vacant here. Everywhere, you know, alternate. Here is only one place, there is two places vacant here. So S, R sits to the left of the one who speak. Sorry, S sits to the immediate left of P. So S sits immediate left of P. So he is a P here. Here no like two places is vacant. Like V is here, T is here, and here also R is here. Here U, W. So here no two places are vacant. Okay. R sits to the left of the one who. Sorry, S sits to the immediate left of P. Okay. And this is the one place left here for which one? Q. I think Q only we have not done. Everything we have done. P we have done, Q, R we have done, S, T, U, U, V, W. So Q we have not done, so Q is here. And one language also left here. Tamil, Gujarati, Urdu. So what about the Urdu here? They are saying something. The one who speak Urdu sits second to the right of P. So Urdu is here. He is sitting second to the right of P. Okay. So I think all of you got here. This is the complete this is the complete thing that we needed here, and we have done this puzzle. Okay. So everything is fine in this one. So now we will going to our session, our question answer session. Okay. And we'll see there. So first question is here in this one. Which of the following came in place of a question mark? Okay, in the following series based. Okay, so Bengali related to the V, Hindi related to the P. Okay, so Bengali and Hindi. Okay, so 1 second, I will try to this one copy here. One second. So see here, Bengali they are telling V. So Bengali here V. So Bengali V. So two differences there. See here is a Bengali, here is a V. So two difference between them. Okay, first option. Second, they are telling Hindi or P. Hindi is here, and here is a P. Again, two differences there. So again, I will take English. English, they are asking English belongs to whom. So I will take two difference. W is here. Okay, so W is a correct answer. So this first one answer is correctly here, W. Okay, 1 second. This is the first one, the correct answer is here, W. W is the correct answer. So first one correct answer is W. Now we have to try here second one. Okay, what is the second question answer? What is the position of you with respect to the one who speak Malayalam? Okay, what is the position of you with respect to one who speak Malayalam? So you is here and Malayalam is here, third to the left. That is the third to the left from the Malayalam. So answer for the second one is here, third to the left. So fourth one is the correct answer. 26th one, fourth is the correct answer. Fourth question is the correct answer. Okay. Now who sits second to the left of the one who speak Gujarati? Second to the left of the one who speak Gujarati. So Gujarati he is speaking. This guy is speaking Gujarati, and second to the left, English or Q. Let's see what is the answer here. Okay, Q. So fourth answer is there. So third one answer is also fourth. Okay, Q is only here. Now four of the following. 1 second. Okay, so four of the following. Four of the following five are alike in a certain way based on their sitting arrangement, and so from a group, which one does not belong to the group? So which one does not belong to the group? So they have given here different question on this one. So we'll see. Q they have given here Hindi. Where is a Q in this one? So this is a Q here. Q belongs to Hindu. So one gap is there between the Q and Hindi. See here all of you. So first one gap is there. Second one is there V and English. So V is here. You just have to make this on your notebook and then you have to solve all questions. Okay. V is here and English is here. V is here and English. Both are together. So no gap. Zero gap is here. Third one you come. R and Bengali. So R is here. Bengali is here. See all of you. One gap is again there. Question number 4, everyone. U and Gujarati. U is here and Gujarati is there, only one gap is there. Okay, fifth one. Okay, fifth one is a P and Tamil. So P is here and Tamil is here, again one gap. So only one second option have zero gap. So this is the answer. Okay, so second one is the answer here. So here answer is the V1 English. Okay, so V1 English is the correct answer. Okay, I will do one thing. I will make here this quickly. This one one. Okay, this is a very easy for us to answer here. Okay, so U is the Bengali. Okay, W is the Urdu. W is the Urdu, and R is the Hindi. Hindi, R, and R is the Hindi. Next one, T is the Malayalam. T is the Malayalam, and Q is the English. Q is the English, and V is the Tamil. V is Tamil, and next one, S is the Gujarati. S is the Gujarati, and P is Marathi. P is Marathi. Okay. So which of the following is true regarding the Q? Okay. So Q sits third to the right of U. Q sits third to the right of U. Q, only 3 people sit between the Q and P. So 2 people sitting here. Q is the immediate neighbor of the one who speaks Tamil. So definitely Q is the immediate neighbor of the one who speaks Tamil. So we can answer for this one is the third one. Okay. Q is the immediate neighbor of the one, because see here is a Q and here is a Tamil person sitting. So Q is the immediate neighbor of Tamil. Okay. How many people are sitting between the one who speaks Marathi and R when counted from the left R? So Marathi, this is a Marathi and this is the R counted from the left of R. So left, this one is there. So 2 people is there. So answer for the 6th one is the second answer. Okay. So I think all of you got this one. Okay. So we will meet next time again for another puzzle. So thank you everyone. Please like, subscribe and share. Okay. And you can contact for the online classes even.